Hey guys, I'm Agastya, and today I'll be introducing you to Krishak, which is an app I developed for the small, uneducated farmers of India. So I got this information from my gardener, who was frequently asking us for financial help and leaves, and so I had to figure out what was wrong. So I chatted with him for a while, and only to realize that he has a small farm in a village nearby. So and he wasn't doing quite well. So why was it he wasn't doing so well? Um, One obvious reason comes to my mind is because he's poor, he's uneducated, he doesn't have scientific methods to for agriculture. Probably that's why he's not doing well. But that's not quite possibly the only reason. Another reason and the more important reason is that even if they get like a good harvest on the fields, right? Even if they get good harvest, they won't be able to get good prices unless they know the right price. See, what happens is there is an arti or the middleman who buys the crop from the farmers and then sell it in the market. So that's in this process the farmer get exploited because they don't know the right price, and the RTs offer them very low, very low prices. So so that's one major reason why poor uneducated farmers are exploited in India. So what my app does is it provides the farmers with real time prices of the mandi. So mandi is an agricultural market. So what Krishak does is it accesses your location through the GPS, and it helps you figure out the nearest mandi, and help farmers to get the right price. See? So we've also included TTS, which is text to speech. What that does is, if an uneducated farmer is using that app, it would actually read the right price along with the crop to them. So that's another factor I've included in my in Krishak.
ये यहाँ पे तो आपको ये क्या करता है कि आपका मंडी का भाव बताता है, ठीक है। मंडी में आपके पास में जो भी फसल है आपकी, उसका आपको जो पास वाली मंडी है उसका उससे लेके आपका भाव बता देता है,
उधर ही
ठीक
देखते
है।
रहो, उनको ही देखो।
तो क्या होता है, तो इसमें जब भी जो भी आपको फसल है उसको उसका आप क्लिक करोगे तो आपको उसमें ये आ जाएगा, उसका डेटा आ जाएगा, है ना। और
दिख नहीं रहा कुछ भी।
so this is what the app looks like. So basically, you have this in your vernacular language. So like over here, you get it in Hindi, and it is getting your location right. That's the latitude and longitude, and here's your city and your location, right? So that's there. Now you have an option. So this is rice, wheat, and barley. So this is in your vernacular language again, right? So you click on any of them. So here it is. Now what you get here is market, variety, minimum
Market
price.
variety model prices quintal 3.
So it's there, minimum price, maximum price, and rupees per quintal. So now this is your location nearby
Route
mandis.
2125
So it's gonna tell you that along with the maximum price or the minimum price. So these are near your location, right? So you could change that if you want. You want to see all of them, you could just click on all of them. You could change that. Now when you click on that, it's gonna fetch all of that. So it starts from Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Assam, Gujarat. So you get all of them, right? So same for the other cereals or the crops. So this is actually a pretty rough application. I'm going to work on it more. So that's what it actually is. So here's text to speech in action. And click on it.
अदर 1530 3
This is in Hindi, right? So you could change the language if you want. You could select English, Gujarati. You can I'm planning to add more of them, but these are there, right? So I'm gonna click on English.
So that's what the app actually does right now, but I'm planning to include other stuff as well. So I've already talked to IKSL, which is IFFCO Kisan Sanchar Limited, which is actually a subdivision of IFFCO, which is an cooperative organization. So what IKSL does is it actually sends packets of information, pertinent information to the farmers through SMSs, right? So this information is actually about crop care. So we're planning. I'm planning to include that also. So another thing is like even Krishak can even tie up with the Met department in order to provide the farmers with weather predictions. I mean very accurate weather predictions. So like for example, if it's gonna rain the next week, so the farmers could actually harvest the crop 1 week before, right? So that's one example of that. Another example could be like if the rain aren't going to be sufficient this year, farmers could actually grow crops which are less dependent on rain. So that's how even the Met tying up with Met department could help the farmers a lot. Finally, as a future direction, I've also planned to include trends coming from the NCDX. So based on the trends coming in, they could decide which crop to grow. Right. So that's it. Thank you.